Hey, welcome to Yorkton Toyota. I'm Don Redenbach, Parts and Service Manager. Today we're going to give you a quick demonstration of our Express Lube, what we do when you bring your vehicle in for an oil change. A couple of notes about our Express Lube: we don't make appointments, so it's come in at your convenience. We'll get it done for you. We also do all makes and models, so don't be scared to come if you got a Ford, a Chevy, or a Honda. We'll do them all for you. So here we're going to give you a quick demonstration. Thanks for stopping by.